Most people mess fried rice up before it even hits the pan. Today I'm showing you how chefs actually make chicken and egg fried rice so it's not soggy or bland. Your fried rice will be mushy if you use fresh rice. Always use day-old dried out rice. Let's make the velveting marinade. Velveting offers a protective coating to keep the chicken tender and moist through high heat cooking. Brining provides seasoning, salt, and moisture content. Using a whole chicken is a little more work, but it's worth it to me because I like to utilize all of the parts of the chicken and have bones for stock. We're going to roast our chicken skin at 350 for about a half hour until it's nice and crispy. It is now time to velvet our chicken. We're going to use the water method today versus oil, which has a lighter, cleaner flavor and is better for chicken fried rice. To velvet our chicken in water, we're going to add 2 inches of water to a pot and add 1 tablespoon of oil. We're then going to bring the pot of water to a boil and add the marinated chicken. Immediately reduce the burner temperature to medium low. Stirring it ever so often, we're going to allow the water to come back to a simmer and then cook it for 1 more minute. We're then going to drain the chicken well and allow it to cool. When we cut green onions, we want to separate the bulb and transition stem from the green top or leaf. We cut the green tops into a bias cut for garnish, and we cut the transition stem and bulb into rounds, and we use those for cooking. Here comes my mistake. Now, I have more rice, and I could have just easily reshot the video. But I wanted to show you, everyone's not perfect, and sometimes you gotta fix things. So here, I drizzle the soy sauce on the outside of the pan, and not directly into the rice like you're supposed to. But I splashed a little bit too much, put too much soy sauce in there, so my fried rice would have been salty. So instead of panicking, I take a spatula and I remove the rice that has the excess soy sauce in it, move the good rice over, and then I add just a little bit of fat in the bottom, and then add some more rice to make up for the rice I removed. Light drizzle of sweet soy sauce here. Light drizzle of toasted sesame oil. Beautiful. Cook with love. Follow for more.